SP Balasubramaniam, mostly referred as SPB, is an Indian playback singer, music director, actor, dubbing artist and film producer who works predominantly in Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Hindi and Malayalam. He has recorded over 40,000 songs in 16 Indian languages, for which he holds the Guinness World Record for recording the highest number of songs. This is what Wikipedia tells you. He is a recipient of several awards such as Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan from the government of India. So, as we all know that he is suffering from this COVID-19, we would really pray for a speedy recovery of his being fans. So this drawing is dedicated to him and a tribute towards his works. So please get well very fast. We would love to see you back on the stage once the situation normalizes. For this drawing, I have mostly used the soft charcoal pencil from Camlin and my handmade blending stomp rather. This is a handmade one, the paper one. I love to use it nowadays. It gives me much better feel from even the ones that I've bought. But if you want to use the ones that you can easily get on Amazon or on a local store, I'm not sure whether you will get anything now in the local art stores, but if you even order things from the Amazon, the blenders are really good there too. But I have preferred to use my blender and it has given me good results in this drawing. What I have achieved is mostly with the charcoal pencil and just the blending. I have not used any other pencil. There are two pencils shown in the video. Both are the same soft Camlin charcoal pencils. I was able to get a good realistic result. I was happy with the result. The smile and the look of SP Balasubramaniam seems to be similar to his actual face. So if you also have liked the video, like the drawing, then please like the video, because liking helps the YouTube algorithm understand that my videos are useful to everyone. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to it, because that will help me grow bigger and faster, and that will encourage me to draw more. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon in the next video.